G'day, Nick here from cpaphire.com.au, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Powershell and how to use it with the Z1 Auto machine. The Powershell is great in that it enables you to get away from your standard AC power point at home, so you can do things such as camping and caravanning. The Powershell is made of two components. The first is the shell part, and the second is the battery part. To get started, we simply connect the battery into the shell and click it in. To take the battery out, we simply depress the two blue parts on the side and click it out. Once we've got the battery in place, we can then connect our Z1 into the actual shell component, and to do so we simply just feed it through on the top here, and you can see the little power jack in here. We just sort of line that up and click it in like so. Once it's connected, it will start using battery power. So you can see that's on. So this machine now is being powered by the battery module, and it's a fully portable auto CPAP machine. Now that we've got our machine in our shell, we can then connect up our little tube adapter. So you have to connect the tube adapter after the machine is in the shell. And to do so, we just place it in like so, just push it in nice and gently. We can then connect up our tubing to the end. Our other end has our heat moisture exchange filter on it. We don't have to use this, but it will provide some humidity if we do. So we can place that in the other end, and then it connects up to our CPAP mask like so. So this is our unit now, ready to go. It's connected to the Powershell, and we can expect to get a full night's sleep. So around 8 hours from a single charge of the Powershell. The actual package comes with two batteries, so you can charge them up, and when one's done, you can simply take that battery out like so. You just pull it off like that. The next one connects in, and then you just once again connect it in, and you're ready to go for the second night. When charging the Powershell up, you need to have the Z1 Auto connected into the Powershell. So we simply use our AC power supply that comes with it, and there's a little hole in the back here. We can plug that in, and at the top here on the actual screen, it will show you how much charge is in the battery there. And the batteries normally take around 6 hours to charge up. You can also, if you have access to a 12-volt cigarette jack, use this cigarette cable which is supplied with our hire package to charge up the Powershell. So you plug this end into your cigarette jack, the other end will plug into the Powershell, and that will charge up the batteries as well. If you want to get the machine out of the Powershell, we first need to just disconnect the tube adapter by just pulling gently out in a straight line. Be nice and gentle with that tube adapter. We can also disconnect the power supply. Then on the side of the Powershell, there's eject buttons. If we pinch in the eject buttons, we can simply pull out the machine. Be aware that if you leave your battery inside the shell, it will still discharge even if the machine is not in there. So it's best just to disconnect the battery from the shell if you're wanting it to still hold its charge. Okay, it will discharge slowly otherwise if you keep it clicked in, because the Powershell itself will use energy while it's clicked in. And that's as simple as it is. Make sure you check out the other videos on our video tutorial section on the website and our frequently asked questions page that we have available. We also have an online chat that's available most days a week, so just click on the bottom right hand side of the screen and you'll be able to chat with one of our CPAP consultants. As always, thanks for watching, and here's to a good night's sleep. Cheers.